Need to reset your Dell Precision 5540 workstation? This video walks you through the complete factory reset process so you can troubleshoot issues or prepare the laptop for its next owner. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. It's supposed to not delete your personal files. I strongly suggest you create a backup of any important files or documents before you proceed, because even though it might say that it's going to save your personal files, there's no guarantees that it will, so just keep that in mind, and we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to go ahead and start by right-clicking on the Windows Start menu, and we're going to select the settings. You want to select System, and then on the right side, scroll down until you get to Recovery. Reset Advanced Startup Previous Version of Windows. Go ahead and open that up. So we're going to start by going underneath Recovery Options, reset this PC. Choose to keep or remove your personal files, then reinstall Windows. Go ahead and select Reset PC. Underneath Choose an option, Keep My Files removes apps and settings but keeps your personal files. Now, like I said, there's no guarantee, but you still want to create a backup, but we are going to select that for today's tutorial here. And it's going to ask how would you like to reinstall Windows. I usually do a local reinstall, so that's what I'm going to select. And current settings is going to reinstall Windows from this device, and then we're going to select next again. This shouldn't take too long here, guys. And resetting will change settings back to their default, keep personal files, reinstall Windows from this device, remove all apps and programs, and you can also view what apps will be removed. This will take some time and your PC will restart. These are the apps that will be removed, so take note of that. So you're definitely going to have to reinstall some stuff once it's done. So it looks like I accidentally closed out of there, so I'm just going to go back to exactly where we were. And we're just going to go ahead and proceed with the reset here and select reset. And you can go ahead and install your applications, your programs, whatnot, create new user accounts, but Windows 11 has been reinstalled, a clean factory install. So pretty straightforward process. Now, if you did what I did and created a local user account, your Ethernet cable, or if you turned off your router, you're going to have to go ahead and turn that back on, and then connect to your Wi-Fi network or Ethernet connection, whatever is your situation. But pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.